Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to talk about git commit. So what is git commit? Git commit is more like, take for example now you bought some things in the supermarket and you get receipts. So those list of items that you have, are like your git commit. They are like, git commit is more like a history book. Git commit is more like records, things that are saved on your local machine, things saved in your local repository. That is basically what git commit is all about. So it saves everything down. So enough talk, let's just type something. So we just write git add, then let's just say I want to add projects, project assignments slash seller dot java. Yeah, so as it is now, project assignment slash seller dot java has been added, so it is tracked. Actually it is tracked now. So if I want to commit now, I'll just do git commit -m, then let's say so this kind of thing, you have to give a message that this is just a lesson or tutorial, but normally you have to give a message that will tally with what you are, you have to give a message that will tally to what you are adding, this kind of file now. So let me just say project assignment seller is not totally fixed, maybe something like that, just to give something that would tally to where you are. So we just click enter. So congratulations, we have simply just committed our file now to git. So as it is now, git now has a list of records. This kind of file now is now in the history book. This kind of file is in the history book, is part of the receipt, the things that you bought. So now if you now want to check the list of things that you bought, I mean, we've been talking about git commit now, and I've been opening my mouth and I've been saying history, I've been opening my mouth, I've been saying records, I've been opening my mouth and I've been saying different things about record, history, receipt. So if you now want to see the things that you have bought, you now do git log. So this command git log will show you the things that you've committed, the things that you bought, the things that are in the history books. So can you see? These are the things, these are the list of things I have committed. So it's telling me I have committed, this is my unique identifier. This one we are seeing yellow here, this commit, and you are seeing all the numbers and letters. This is my unique identifier. The author, this is me, my email, the date I did it, which is Saturday. So these are the committed stuffs that I have done. These are the things I have bought. These are the list of items that I have bought. So they are now in the history books, they are in the record. So simply type git log. So git log will show you, the list of things that you have committed. These are the things that in my local machine that I have committed right now. So if you now want to so you just click on Q. That's the reason why you went back to this, to clear that place. So if you now want to be specific, because I mean, as you can see, this git log now, it looks too long, sort of. So if you want to concise everything into one, so you just do git log -1 line. So -1 line, now it shows, it has brought everything together now. So it's not as, I won't use the word scatter, but it's not as long as this. It's being summarized to this level. So that's basically what git log -1 line does. So you see your history book, so you'll see the list of things that you have bought. you see the list of things that you have committed, you see the list of things that are in your records, that kind of a thing. So let's now say peradventure, there's something wrong with my project assignment seller. I need to change something. Something is actually wrong with project assignment seller, so I need to change something. So I could just go to my file explorer, click on seller. By the way, you can check, you can open with any editor, IntelliJ, Notepad, Visual Studio, whichever one you want. So just click on seller. Then as I can see now, there's something, it's missing things. So let's just say private, let's just say private string name, let's say private string maybe the seller's location. So now this is something that I've checked. This is something that I have already I've saved it now, so I've changed. So now I'll do git status. So just type git status. So I'll now check project assignment seller. So as it is now, project assignment seller is now modified. So as it is, this file is untracked. You know, I told you in my previous videos, I said whenever I see all these reds, they are on track. So at the moment, this project assignment seller is on track. It was tracked before, but it's on track. On track because I have changed something already. I have changed something. I've modified something. So Git has not tracked that thing I have modified. It tracked the previous one, but it has not tracked that thing I have modified. So in your mind now, you might be like that. Man, we have to go back to and I have to start doing git add again. Then I'll now do git commit. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself. So I'm going to show you this command. So instead of going through all the git add and passing from the staging area and then commit, you can commit straight ahead because you've modified it already. So git will just be like, instead of how do I put it, going through the process. I mean, you've already gone through the process before, you just change it. Why not just go front and just say, sir, I've been here before, I just need to change something. Get the point? Yeah. So just do git commit and you do -a -m. So what -a stands for is all modified files. So as you can see here, I have a list of all modified files here. You can see a list of all modified files. So -a is saying that, okay, I want to commit all the modified files, all the files that I have modified, all the files that I have changed, that were committed before, that were tracked before. I am now changing them. So that's what -a is talking about, all modified files. Then -m, we all know that. Then I'll now type in my message. So let's just say updated codes in my projects, something like that. You know, just give it, this is just an example. Just give a message that would correlate to what you are, to the files you have. So just click on enter. So as it is now, I mean, look at it, congratulations, we have simply just, jumped the gun. We simply just jumped the gun. We didn't do git add, we just jumped the gun, just like that. And now we've committed all those modified files. As you can see, 6, and we have quite a good number of them here, about 6, 7. Yeah, all the modified files now have been committed without using git add, so you can easily just jump that gun, all of that. But let's now say that, okay, there's something is missing. I need to amend the message I gave, because I gave that message with updated codes in my project. So what if I want to change that message? Man, that message I give is not good though. I think I made a mistake. That message does not correlate to the file I did. I think I made a mistake. So what you just simply do is that you just do git commit, then you type the message you want. You type the name of the message you want. No, sorry, jump the gun. -m. So you type the message you want. Let's just say I want updated codes in my projects, in my project Java assignments. Yeah, so now I have no, then I'll now do dash amend. Yes, dash amend. So as it is now, I have, let me click and enter. Now what Git is saying is that I have already amended. You know, what was initially there was updated codes in my project. So peradventure now you want to change something in that message, you just simply do git commit -m, then the new message you want to give it, then close the quotes, dash amend. So it simply just amends it all. So as you can see now, congratulations, we've simply just amended our message. So I'll now do git log. So we'll see the correction, we'll see where we have. Hey, can you see? Let me even zoom in. So you see for yourself. Updated codes in my project assignment. So it has changed that for me. It has changed it for me. Before I wrote what did I even write before? I wrote something else, but now it has updated the text for me. So updated codes in my project Java assignment. Before I wrote updated codes in my project. Now when I typed git log, it's saying updated code in my project Java assignment. So that's just simply how to commit files to Git. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and if you feel moved, please give a comment, because comments go a long way in, you know, helping my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.